So I dropped my phone at the coaster and there was a white car that was super slow when there was one lane, and then when there's like 2 lanes for passing, all of a sudden that white car speeds up and we're just like,
he's behind us now.
Yeah, way behind us.
No, he's behind us.
Wait, oh, still there? Oh. I'm a dip. Oh, look at the doggy. Freaking babe, in audio. I can overtake them. It's up to you.
Pulls it again, maybe?
Huh?
Pulls it again, maybe?
Oh, it does. You see? There. Mark's behind me. So I dropped my phone at the coaster and I'm using Babe's phone and I can't get it till 4 because they close at 4.
Before continuing the video, shout out to these 3 girls that were helping us getting my phone back. They were very friendly and fun people to talk to. If you're watching this, I love you.
But the funny thing is that when it fell, it gave me my wallet back. See, so all my cards are here. Cause I think I was going so fast that like during that little like spin, like curl thing, I think I hit the edge of it, and then that's when I put my phone in my big pocket right here.
Say curl thing?
I don't know.
Spiral?
Spiral. That's the word. That's the word I was looking for. So yeah, when I was going super fast, and then that little spiral road, I think it like hit something, and then I put my phone in my big pocket right here, and that's when it flew out.
Notice how only one of us lost their phones?
Yeah, I'm just gonna use your phone to vlog stuff. After I'm done with it, I'm just gonna give it back to you. That's my life. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Look at you, oh, shredded.
There must be something that it features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise.
Hey, baby, it's recording. Don't let go.
Hi guys. So we didn't eat. Can you hear me?
Yeah. But did you say we didn't eat?
Yeah. Oh, I have to beep it out. Beep.
You know there's video of us falling, right?
Ooh, careful. Don't do that, you're hurting my knees.
Oh,
I'm gonna put that on the vlog. Me falling down.
Cuts and then just go puh.
So no wonder they can match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa. Slow it down like that. Just hold
We
it
did it at
down
the same
like
time.
that. Yeah.
Ooh, I got that, babe. Nice. I'm looking at you.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that it features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that it features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Just came out clean.
Okay.
Right under you. Okay, try to go slower. Like, how do I explain this? You've been like kind of whipping it, you know? Don't whip it. You have to accept the speed that you're going already.
You be having me on that sweet shit.
You got my heart, you got my mind.
You got my heart, got my mind.
I think about you all the time.
I think about you all the time.
So guys, I got my phone back. I'm using my phone now. See? So this is my phone. See, there's no cracks or anything. I mean, it does have cracks before, but it's all still good. See, it's still working. It's still functioning. We're here at the Village, Oakside. Yeah, the Village at Big Bear. See over here, Big Bear Superstore. Look at my baby. Thank you for taking me here. Look, it's so pretty.
It's so pretty cold.
Pretty. We just finished saucy mama's.
Yeah, we got to sauce onto the car.
Okay, we're in the car. We're freezing. And then we put the... So here, this is what it looks like over here. So I got the barbecue, not Texas, roasted barbecue ranch. It's with barbecue sauce, shredded chicken. I didn't get the red onion, bacon bits, and ranch. Babe got, where was it?
Oh, in the middle.
Oh, there you go. The Murray's Meat Lover. Pepperoni, Canadian bacon, meatball, sausage. He got the medium size, I got the small size.
Okay, so we're now leaving the cabin. So this is what it looks like. So you're all packed up right here. No boards, helmets, and shoes. So we're gonna leave. It's so dark. I'll go this way. Love you too. Okay, bye.